Assuming you're searching for the Dogecoin value expectation or finding the capability of Doge, this value estimate can be useful for you. Our cost figure depends on a profound specialized investigation and the previous presentation of Dogecoin. Here we will attempt to examine the capability of Dogecoin, Doge, in the long haul. Dogecoin is viewed as a trendy upset in the crypto market. By the market cap and ubiquity sum, Dogecoin, Doge, is today the top image coin. In view of the famous canine image, Dogecoin is upheld by Litecoin subordinates. Dogecoin highlights a Shiba Inu canine as its image. Dogecoin designers made this image coin as tomfoolery. Yet the market treated the venture in a serious way. Tesla chief Elon Musk and numerous superstars assumed a vital part in the prominence of Dogecoin. Dogecoin, Doge, is presently acknowledged by numerous organizations that give genuine worth to the token. Dogecoin is the main image coin that can be tracked down on pretty much every famous commercial center. As we found through CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin has a restricted all-out supply of 132,670,764,300 Doge tokens. With the restricted symbolic stock and reaction from financial backers, Dogecoin looks solid in the long haul. The worth of Doge might soar in the impending a very long time as the market is recuperating from the long negative occasions. Dogecoin has given an extraordinary revisitation of its underlying financial backers in 2021, when it made another ATH level. The Dogecoin costs revitalized to an unsurpassed high, ATH, of 73 cents in May 2021. Nonetheless, Dogecoin lost its worth by 70% in the new negative occasions, and its costs are pursuing a descending direction. After an unexpected spike toward the start of 2021, we have seen from now onward, indefinitely, quite a while the sluggish presentation of Doge. Numerous stages and examiners imagine that the cost of Dogecoin will keep on filling in the following 5 years, outperforming the $1 mark toward the finish of 2025. As all cryptos are down, Dogecoin's exhibition can be delayed following couple of months. There are solid prospects that assuming the market sees a few decent developments, the worth of Doge might recuperate. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Dogecoin is recuperating from long negative occasions. According to our Doge cost gauge, it can arrive at a most extreme value level of 41 cents by 2023. In the event that the ongoing development proceeds, with the typical cost of Dogecoin can be around 25 cents. As the entire crypto market is recuperating, on the off chance that there are a few decent bullish occasions, we can expect a $1 focus for Dogecoin in 2023 too. Be that as it may, assuming there is any negative pattern, the base cost of Dogecoin can be down up to 13 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. In 2024, Dogecoin can arrive at a most extreme value level of 71 cents on the off chance that ongoing business sector development proceeds. As the exhibition of cryptos looks negative, it will be difficult for Doge to contact its new ATH this year. In any case, the typical cost of Dogecoin can be around 58 cents in 2024. Furthermore, in the event that there is any negative pattern, the base cost of a Dogecoin can be down up to 42 cents. A bull rally is normal in 2024, and on the off chance that it happens, the cost of Dogecoin might flood more than our cost forecast. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. Dogecoin will stay a top image coin in 2025 too. According to our cost expectation, the worth of Dogecoin might hit another ATH level this year. By 2025, we might expect a typical cost of 86 cents in the event that ongoing development proceeds. Our greatest cost expectation for Dogecoin is $1.12 during the current year. On the off chance that the market gets bullish, the worth of Dogecoin might flood more than our cost gauge in 2025. In any case, the base value level of Dogecoin can be around 73 cents, assuming the market turns negative. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. Dogecoin might outflank some top crypto projects this year. The year 2030 can end with a typical cost of $6.69, while the base value worth of Dogecoin can be around $5.53. Alongside Dogecoin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around $8.63. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age in 2030. Genuine venture-based computerized resources can overwhelm the market. Assuming there is any bull rally in 2030, the costs of Dogecoin might soar and outperform our cost gauge. Dogecoin value expectation 2040. It's difficult to make a drawn-out cost figure. Here we will attempt to compute with the ongoing presentation. According to our cost gauge, we might expect a typical cost of Dogecoin of $18.56 in 2040, assuming current development proceeds. After such a long excursion, the Dogecoin costs can hit another AF level this year. Our most extreme cost expectation for Dogecoin is $21.37 in 2040, while the base value level can be around $15.38. In the event that the market gets bullish, Dogecoin might flood more than our cost figure in 2040. Dogecoin value expectation 2050. Dogecoin has incredible potential, assuming that you will hold it as long as possible. The year 2050 can end with a typical cost of $63.89, while the base value worth of Dogecoin can be around $55.68. Alongside Dogecoin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around $72.87 in the event that Doge draws in additional financial backers. On the off chance that there are a few decent developments on the lookout or a bull rally in 2050, the worth of Dogecoin might soar and outperform our drawn-out cost conjecture. Is Dogecoin, Doge, a wise speculation? According to the new spike in Dogecoin costs, Dogecoin has demonstrated that it can astound financial backers with huge returns. According to our cost examination, long-haul interest in Dogecoin gives off an impression of being a decent choice to consider. Because of the sponsorship of Elon Musk and different VIPs, Dogecoin can stun its financial backers whenever. Despite the fact that the Dogecoin cost appears to be bullish, Dogecoin and other cryptos are unpredictable and can alter their cost course whenever. In the event that you are a shrewd financial backer and like to make dangerous speculations, Dogecoin can be an extraordinary decision. Cryptos are today the most advantageous resources as well as the least secure too. In this way, prior to settling on any venture choice, do your legitimate gamble the executives appropriately. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $1? As Dogecoin siphoned greatly as of late, numerous crypto brokers are interested to know, regardless of whether Dogecoin can contact $1. $1 target was looking nearer for Doge in 2021 when it hits its unsurpassed high. Yet presently market conduct is totally different. All cryptos are showing a negative exhibition in 2023. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation, it will hit a $1 cap in 2025. Assuming you're searching for the $1 focus in present moment, there is no sign that Dogecoin can reach $1 in the following couple of months. Notwithstanding, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit. As we have found in the beyond, an extraordinary bull rally or bear rally can whip all the cost expectations in a moment or two. With Doge people group support, Dogecoin might hit its $1 focus before our Dogecoin cost expectation. Is Dogecoin a siphon and dump? Because of incredibly unstable way of behaving, numerous merchants use to find out if Dogecoin is as long as possible or simply a siphon and dump. As we dissected the previous execution of Dogecoin, it is a very unpredictable resource. The Dogecoin frequently siphons